Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. I am back to the Tanki online game. But sorry about that. But you can see that this one. Don't mind the TV. Ignore it. Ignore the TV. And ignore my dad. And ignore the baby. And ignore my dad again. Come on, load fast. Oh.
Nag-record ka? Sorry. Mahulog na kayo. Ito dito. Yan o. Sugmong gano'n. Yan.
Oh, sorry about that.
Pero may nilagay na raw na mga barikada at maximum security ang kanilang ipatutupad. Kinakuha si Pemberton ng murder sa pagpatay sa transgender na si Jennifer Lauder. Manatili na natutog po sa ABS-CBN, ANC at DZMM para sa iba pa ng bagbagang balita.
Submit guys. Sorry guys, I'm already back. I've been removed.
Hindi na talaga maganda kanta niyang palabas na yan.
Oh no, I am so lucky. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry, it's just 2 minutes. So thank you guys for watching and goodbye.